There was a time in life when I thought all was lost. Lord, I am a living testimony of your love. You changed my story of woes to joy. Lord, I am a living testimony of your love. And so I will give you all I have. Receive, Lord, my offerings to you, which I offer with my friends today. Transform them and transform us. Purify them and purify us in this sacrifice divine for always, Lord. You know that I have given all